Hello, traders. Hello, traders. My greetings to each one of you. Here we are live again. Aziz, hello. Dan Brown, hello, King. You're most welcome. Where have you been? Always here, Dan. HJ Matt, hi, hello. It's been a while, yes. Glad to see you back. Brian, hello. You're most welcome, members. My greetings to each one of you. WM Leo, hi, King. You're most welcome, members. Live again, kindly like and share so the number can increase, so we can reach all traders that are available and we can start trading. You can start selling the Euro USD with me for the moment. The price is closed from the EMAs. However, it's a good opportunity to start selling the Euro USD to make some good profits. So start selling the Euro USD with me. This is King of Forex from the 1% Club, and let's start right away. So I'm selling here the Euro USD. As you can see, you can start selling with me. Kindly like and share so we can reach all members and all traders, so everyone can trade and profit with us. The market now is moving very close from the EMAs. So in such a case, we wait a bit in the basic version, because on my channel I am mainly trading the basic version of the EMA strategy. So in such a case, we wait a bit for the price to move away from the EMAs and we can start buying or selling. However, as in my recent live streams, I'm showing you a bit of the full version or advanced tips. So for example, now we are selling even though the price is very close from the EMAs. So that's advanced. Usually we are only trading the basic version. Okay, start selling the Euro USD with me and let's see if we have other opportunities. You can also sell the GBP USD. However, we have already entered on the Euro USD, but we can also sell the GBP USD for the moment. So let me place a trade here also. If you would like to enter on the GBP USD, you can start also selling the GBP USD with me. Okay, so you either enter on the Euro USD or the GBP USD. Always trade one pair at a time. So here I've traded both to be showing you different angles. So some of you might be trading the GBP while others on the Euro. The USD Yen was moving upward, providing some good opportunity here, a good selling opportunity. So if you have sold it, it's good to close on it. The USD CAD is very close from the EMAs, as you can see, so we do not have any opportunity for the moment. Again, we are on the Euro USD. For traders who are just joining, you can start selling the Euro USD with me. The link to join, to become a member, because I will be making some live sessions for members only. The link to join is mentioned here, a pinned message here in the chat. Traders, be prepared for some big profits. The market is in a bearish mode. As you can see, the market started moving downward from here. We are now in a bearish mode. As I always tell you, you have to read the market like an open book. And the price started moving downward. So be prepared for some big profits. The GBP is still around our level. And as you can see here, we have sold even though the price is closed from EMAs. As explained previously, that's a bit advanced. So you can sell the GBP USD or the Euro USD and start preparing yourself for big profits. Let's see how the price is going to act. The market is fluctuating a bit here on the gbpusd, slightly above EMA 9 and 20. And on the euro, it's up. Okay, now we can start adding on our orders. I will add here. Nitesh, welcome on board, member. Welcome to KOF fans. Just joined. You're most welcome, member. Jonathan, hello King. You're most welcome, member. Okay, so sell the euro USD with me, traders. For the GBP, also we can start adding on our orders. Again, you either sell the euro USD or the GBP USD. Coco Rose, hi King, hello member. Again, we are selling the euro USD and waiting for the price to start moving. The market is in a bearish mode, so big bearish candles to be expected very soon. Just wait for it. And the GBP USD, on the other hand, reaching higher levels, so I'm going to sell it from these top levels. Okay, adding on my orders from these top levels. Let's get back to the euro USD. Be prepared for fast and big profits. Big bearish candles or big black candles here are on the way. The euro is pushing downward. Maren, hi King, you're most welcome. That's what I'm talking about. Big bearish mode. The market has started already. The GBP USD, it's a perfect opportunity to add on your orders because, as you can see, the market has been rejected previously here, so we are adding at the top. The euro, as I told you traders, what did I say some minutes ago? Big bearish candles are on the way. Be prepared for the big profits, traders. What did I say some minutes ago? As I told you, be prepared. The market started the bearish mode. We are entering into a big bearish mode. So be prepared. We have sold. We are riding this downtrend at the moment. As you can see, we are riding this downtrend. The GBP USD, what did I say, traders? What did I say? That's how you should be able to read the market. Like always, as I always say, like an open book. Traders, that's what I'm talking about. The market is down. Here we are, $400, $500 in profits, and we are still moving forward. It's still too early to close, so be prepared. As I told you, big bearish candles. Take a look here at the GBP USD pushing downward. The euro also. Okay. Be prepared, traders, for some big profits. As I told you, big bearish candles are on the way. The market is in a bearish mode, and exactly that's what's happening. So now we are already in some good profits, but of course, why to close early on? You have to read the market like an open book, so to know when to enter and when to exit. For now, it's too early to enter. So wait with me on your profits, okay? Wait on your profits. The GBP is again hovering around the EMAs. No worries at all for this upward momentum. The market is accumulating its bearish power. Okay, the euro, what did I say, traders? The euro, what did I say, traders, about the euro? Okay, traders, perfect. So let's start closing the euro USD. Okay, traders, close on your profits on the euro USD, as I told you. Close on your profits on the euro USD and start buying this market. Close on your profits on the euro USD and start buying this market, okay? Start buying the euro USD, traders. Here we are, $770 in profits on the Euro USD. The GBP USD is coming soon. Be prepared. It's coming soon, the GBP USD, okay? If you are on the GBP USD, it's coming soon. For the Euro USD, start buying for the moment. Okay? Just place one buying order on the Euro USD. As you can see, the price is below the EMAs. So we placed our first order. Congratulations for your first profits, traders. Tell us in the comment section how much of profits you have made. Tell us in the comment section how much of profits you have made. Here we are, our first $770 in profits. Tell us what are your profits for the moment, traders. Vlad, hello King, long time no see. You're most welcome, Vlad. You've been missing our last streamings. Not a long time. I've been live 2 weeks ago. Gracias, King. You're most welcome. Noemi, you're most welcome, member. $2,150, King, Vlad. Congratulations for your big profits. As I told you, big and fast profits. Be prepared for another movement. Nitesh, $112 profit. Congratulations for your profits, members. The euro is pushing again, providing another good buying opportunity. And let's prepare our take profit here slightly below EMA 20. Prepare your take profit slightly below EMA 20 on the Euro USD. Like and share, traders. Like and share so we can reach everyone. You are always telling me you are missing my live streams. However, the YouTube always notifies. So to make sure everyone receives, we should share it so everyone would receive our live. The euro, now take a look here. First of all, the volume is crossing the EMA 20 and holding above it, okay? This indicates some good pressure and this selling power. So here, the volume is increasing. It means the market is in a good pressure for this selling or bearish mode, okay? So this indicates some continuation of this pressure. That's why here, first candle, second and third, the price continued moving further on, okay? But buyers are always here. Why? Take a look at this rejection here. Take a look at this rejection here. You have to read the price like an open book. I repeat, you have to read the price action, okay? You have to read the price action. You have to feel the market. That's what separates a 1% trader from the rest of the 99% traders. Okay? The 1% trader has developed his feeling of the market. The 99% weren't able to develop this feeling of the market. That's why he is successful. That's why they are not successful. Traders. So here, as I was telling you, the market is showing weakness in its downward momentum. Okay? That's why we have bought it, and that's why now the market is pushing upward. Dan Brown, $170 profits. You're most welcome, Dan. Congratulations for your big profits. Okay, be prepared now to close, traders. Be prepared. The GBP USD, if you are selling it, wait a bit with me. For the Euro USD, if you have bought it with me, let's prepare to close on our profits. Our first $700, fast $700 profits, and we are moving forward. The GBP USD is getting very close from our targets. Okay, so the euro was able to reach EMA 9 and pushed downward. Now it's a good time to place another order. Now you can add on your orders on the Euro USD, only one order. As you can see, always leave a good enough space in between of your orders to be managing your risk. And again, our target is slightly below the EMA 20. GBP USD, we have prepared our take profits. So if the price moves very fast. We have already placed our take profits, so the market will hit our take profits and we can close with profits. So sell, hello King, hello member. You're most welcome. As you can see here, traders, as I told you previously, the market is facing difficulties moving downward. That's why I told you here it's a good level to add on your orders, because from here we can see a bounce off for the price. Let's get back to the GBP USD. Okay, so if you are selling the GBP USD with me, for the moment, the GBP USD is still hovering around the EMAs, and the bearish mode is still here. As I told you here, it was a big rejection line, so the price wasn't able to break this stop, and here also the price was again not able to break the stop after multiple attempts. Okay, let's get back to the Euro USD. As you can see, the market is up. Ahmed, hi King, it's great to see you again. You're most welcome, member. My teacher is world's #1. Susel, thank you for your kind words. It's always my pleasure, traders. The euro is heading upward. The GBP, we have to wait for it, as I told you previously. Be prepared for the Euro USD. Again, reaching EMA 9, take a look here. Reaching EMA 9 for the second time again. Okay, now we can start closing on our profits on the Euro USD, traders. Close on your profits, traders, on the Euro USD. As I told you, we are going to close slightly below EMA 20, so now it's time to close. Close on your profits, traders, on the Euro USD. Okay, close on your profits here on the Euro USD. Be very fast and close on your profits on the Euro USD. Okay, here we are, $800, so it was a small entry on the Euro USD. It was a small movement, of course. So close on your profits on the Euro USD, and let's get back. Let's focus a bit on the GBP USD. Exactly here, as I told you, we are going to close slightly below EMA 20 on the Euro USD, and here we are. The market is facing difficulties moving above the EMA 20. You should always put in your mind these critical points, okay? These pivots, let's say, where the price might retrace, might reverse, might continue, might bounce off. You have multiple options. So reading the market, reading the price action is essential. Traders, what did I say? I told you here is a golden entry to buy, because I told you from here the price is going to reverse and bounce off upward. And exactly, that's what happened. And from here, I told you also to close on your profits before EMA 20. Why? Because, as discussed, the price here has difficulties breaking above, moving to higher levels. So you see, you have to open on time and close on time. That's how you should be able to read the market. The GBP USD is still hovering around the EMA, so the market is accumulating its bearish power, as you can see from here. Rejected multiple attempts from the top. The volume is crossing EMA 20 and holding above it, so we have a good volume. So we have a good power. So wait to add on your orders on the GBP USD, the Euro USD again pushing upward. So sell. Let me read your chat. King, today is no news, but market is highly volatility from morning. Will you please explain why? Today I write GBP, JPY, great profits. Thank you, King. You're most welcome, Susel. Okay, so you've been trading the trend, you mean? Great. Congratulations for your big profits. there was no news and the market is in high volatility. Yes, of course, it happens. Okay, the news are always good, so pay attention here, traders. The news are always good, providing high volatility in the market. Okay, so adding volatility to the market. But the market might be in high volatility already without the announcement of big news. Sometimes the news that are not scheduled, that happens out of a sudden, okay, something very important out of a sudden released without prior notice or schedule, these can move the market and have a great impact on the price. Okay, and sometimes even without the news, sometimes some big news appears without or a minimal impact in the market during the announcement. But after some time, these news are accumulated and the market will act on that. So that's why sometimes you have a day without news, but the market is moving very aggressively and in a volatile mode. That's due to some previous news that were accumulated or due to some out of a sudden news released in the same day that were not scheduled. Okay, and simply that's the market. Sometimes it's very volatile and tough, sometimes it's very calm, sometimes. Okay, so it's all about the trader. So as a trader, you should be able to trade different market situations accordingly. Ricky, you're most welcome, member. Please keep explaining. You're doing a very good job explaining what you're thinking. Thank you. Yes, exactly. I'm trying always my best to simultaneously trade and explain to you, analyzing the market for you and answering all of your questions. Morning means from here, Indian London session. Yeah, no worries, of course. My greetings to India and to London. Understand very well. Thank you, King. You're most welcome, Susan. Of course, you have to understand that. You have to understand each situation in the market to be able to trade it accordingly, okay? Because the market is not black or white, it has multiple different situations. And the more you can adapt to that, the more your trading will become in coordination with the market fluctuations, the market swings. Again, I resume all of that by saying it's the feeling of the market. Once you feel it, nothing can stop you. The sky is your limit. The gbpusd made a good upward momentum, but again rejected, as I told you. The euro USD also was in a good selling mode here. It was a good sell. However, we've been focusing on the gbpusd. Okay, the euro was a good sell from here. Let's see if the price gets back to this level or higher. I will start selling it. And the gbpusd started to push downward, slightly above EMA now. Big bearish mode on the gbpusd, so be prepared, traders. Here, even though the price is below my last or highest orders, I have added on my orders. That's again the feeling of the market. You read it, it's moving down. Okay, you can add. Okay, it's not just the basic version where we add only when the price is away from EMAs. It's much more than that, the EMA strategy. Now the price is at EMA 9. Let's see other markets. Meanwhile, USD yen, a good movement on the USD yen, a good movement. Good movement on the USD yen. Okay, the Euro USD, I'm going to start selling this market here. Be prepared for another sell on the Euro USD. Okay. Okay, so placed another sell on the Euro USD. I will be targeting the previous low. Okay, place a sell here on the Euro USD with a target the previous low. Okay, you will see now why. So place a sell here with a target the previous low, the last low actually. That happened in some minutes. The USD yen is interesting. If you have sold it already, now it's time to close on your profits. The USD yen is interesting. If you have sold it already, then now it's time to close on your profits. The AUD USD, definitely you do not have an opportunity. The market is very slow. The price is very close from EMAs. The EMAs are all together making almost one line. So definitely we do not have an opportunity here. USD CAD also very close from EMAs. However, better a bit from AUD USD, but not to the point that we can enter or trade. USD CHF also. So mainly the Euro GBP. Euro GBP is great for the moment. If the price start pushing downward in aggressive mode away from EMAs, you can start buying this market. So the best for the moment are the Euro and the GBP and USD yen. Again, here the price is near EMA 20 on the USD yen. The Euro USD, we have sold it and our target is here. So let's see how the price is going to act. GBP USD, on the other hand, still at the same level. We have already sold it here and added on our orders. So the market was rejected twice. What is that called? It's called the double top. Okay, the GBP USD is moving slowly. It's taking its time for the bearish mode, preceding the bearish mode, in other words. Okay, when the market is moving slowly left to right, sideways, okay, so almost in horizontal line, then of course you just have to be patient a bit for the full power to be accumulated and the market is ready to start in your way. So you have to know the direction. Here the direction is down. Once you know the direction, you can accept these sideways movements. Take a look, it's taking its time. Let's get back to the Euro USD. We have sold it already. The price is slightly below our order and it's moving downward. Okay, so let's wait on our next profits for the moment. Let's wait for our profits. Okay, big profits are on the way. Let's wait for it, traders. Nomad Enigma. Hello, King. Wish I could trade. I'm at work. You're most welcome. It's my pleasure. So hopefully the next time you will be available to trade with us. Nathaniel Green, welcome on board, member. Welcome to KOF fans. Just joined. Again, the euro now for the moment, it's above EMA 9 and the 20. Okay, so indicating indecisiveness in this movement. So the main direction is down. The price went up, faced difficulties breaking the EMA 50 and went into indecisive mode. Take a look at these candles. Okay, so the price is going to reverse and start moving downward. You always have to analyze the market. The volume is down. Okay, so this uptrend was not accumulated with a big volume, so didn't get that much of interest. Okay, trying to explain it for you in simple words. However, it's much deeper than that. Vlad, hello. Nathaniel Bulent, hello, King. You're most welcome, member. Again, take a look at the indecisiveness we are just talking about. Let's get back to the GBPUSD. We are at this same place. No worries at all. The USD yen is going to provide another selling opportunity. So keep your eye on the USD yen. It's going to provide a good selling opportunity in a while. Once breaking above this recent high, you can start selling the USD yen. It's going to provide a golden opportunity above this last high. And that's it. The market is dictating my predictions going up to break this recent high. Let's see. The Euro USD, as I told you, we are in indecisiveness, however, moving downward. Take a look each time we are reaching a lower low. GBP USD is still sideways. Nathaniel, thank you. Great to be with you. You're most welcome, member. Joe Q, hi King. Thank you for all the teachings. Recently, I haven't been listening to your videos while I drive. You're most welcome, Joe. Listening to my videos while you are driving. Yes, why not? So you learn it while you are driving instead of listening to a music, so you can benefit from your time while commuting or driving. It's a good idea. It's always my pleasure, traders. GBP again at this top. I will add here once the market was rejected previously. Susel, I'm so grateful because I am the student of the world #1 Forex trader. Thanks for everything, Guru. You're most welcome, Susel. It's my pleasure. I've started this channel to place traders on the right path towards success, and that's my legacy. I've done everything in Forex trading, and my legacy now is to make you do that. It's always my pleasure, and unfortunately, lots of nonsense out there. So started this channel to place you on the right path toward success. Still slightly above EMAs for the Euro USD. Any plans for a Discord channel, King? It's about time. If I have time for that, I will be doing it. So hopefully soon. Again, the GBP USD is still pushing upward. We are reaching the top. We have already added on our orders, so no need to add anymore. It's just about waiting a bit for it. And the Euro USD is still around the EMA 50 for the moment. Vlad, help, let me know. You've been so helpful for us. I would love to help you back. Vlad, you're most welcome. It's my pleasure. It's just a matter of time for that. So for the moment, I only have my YouTube channel and my website. It's a matter of time. If more available time, I would be thinking about that, about the Discord. For the moment, I only have my YouTube channel and my website. Okay, the GBP now, you do not add on your orders. That's how you manage your risk, okay? We have sold the top. The market is going to move in a bearish mode, in a strong, aggressive bearish mode. However, moving a bit above EMA 9 is normal. So we do not add on our orders in such situation. And the Euro USD, we have already sold it. Of course, we do not add it for the moment. We are selling here to reach the recent low, this one. So we do not add immediately in such a case, okay? I notice, King, that when the market is trending upwards and retraces EMA, it often times continue the uptrend depending on the volatility of the market. Well, the volatility of the market should be included in your analysis, of course, because when the market or when the price is making very large pips in a very short amount of time is much more different, completely different than a slow market when the price is taking hours to make just some pips. Okay, so including high volatility in your analysis is, of course, or measuring the volatility while you are trading, of course, is essential. It should be included in your analysis, but it's not like that when it's uptrending and then back toward EMA and then move up, it's not to be taken just like that. Okay, it's much more the analysis than that. King, you help me, Joe. King, you help me fix my trading psychology by listening to your videos, and my heart is becoming more brave. I never would have gotten to where I am now without all your lessons. Thank you. Joe Q, congratulations for your Big Profits member. Congratulations, most importantly, for your success. It's my pleasure, and that's why I've started this channel, traders. Of course, definitely, trading psychology or having a brave heart, which is part of trading psychology. So to have a brave heart is essential. To succeed in Forex trading, you need a brave heart. Not anyone have such a brave heart to be, especially when you are trading big amounts, okay? When you are trading big numbers, you need a brave heart, definitely. So if you do not have a brave heart, just consider trading from sports that needs a brave heart. If you do not have a brave heart, then it might not be for you. So definitely. And of course, you can work on that to build that brave heart. And once you start reading the market, focusing on your timing, you will develop this confidence. Once you have this confidence, you will have this brave heart immediately. King, at March 11, it was Daiga's birthday. So unfortunately, she is not here. She will be very happy if you wish her. Thank you. March 11. Oh, yeah. Okay, Daiga, yes. Daiga, happy birthday to you. And my best wishes, wishing you all the best in your trading career and in your whole life. Happy birthday from the King of Forex and from the 1% Club. Susil, thanks for that. We are building a community here, traders. Daiga is always watching our live streams. However, yes, today she's not here, unfortunately. I don't know why. Okay, thank you, King. I think it's easier to trade large amounts than small ones. Vlad, it's proportion, okay? If you can trade, it's the same at the end, okay? You just have to trade the size that is suitable for your balance account, okay? For your account balance. Once you trade the suitable lot size, it's the same. It's just about changing the lot size, okay? So if you are trading micro lots with a couple of hundreds, then moving to volume one or one lot with a couple of thousands of dollars, okay? It's technically the same. You are just increasing accordingly. But when I say when you trade big numbers, I mean from the trading psychological, from the psychological aspect. When you trade millions, when you trade hundreds of dollars and millions, okay, when you are working for biggest financial institutions and trading their millions, which are their people's money who have invested there, their money there, when you are trading millions, that's the highest psychological pressure that you would ever receive in your trading journey. That's it. Okay, so once you've been there, and hopefully you reach that level, traders, once you've been there in such very high pressure psychological aspect, okay, trading millions, then you can handle any psychological situation in Forex trading. That's the most, let's say, the toughest psychological level. That's what I mean when I say trading high numbers from the psychological angle. But technically, it's the same because you are increasing the lot size accordingly. Thank you so much, King. So, Sel, you're most welcome. Thanks to you for this initiation that you made to wish a birthday for one of our members who is always watching us. It's always my pleasure. Ricky, I'm sorry, but I have to ask a rookie question. So the fact on euro, okay, it has recently closed a bullish pin bar, okay. Doesn't that mean the odds are swaying more in the direction of buyers a little bit? Okay, Ricky, a good, interesting question. A pin bar, a bullish pin bar, okay. Yes, here, exactly, definitely. The market was moving downward and it was rejected in this way, indicating, okay, to give you exact answer, it indicates that there is a bullish pressure, but it cannot guarantee that this bullish pressure is going to continue. Okay, this further candle is confirming further on the continuation of this upward momentum. Okay, so this candle by its, we never analyze only one candle by itself. Okay, each thing to analyze, it's like a puzzle, so you have to take the big picture. But this candle in itself indicates there is a bullish power here. Is this bullish power will be able to continue further on to take the price upward? Now it did, yes, okay, but it's not always. Okay, but it indicates that you might have, we have a bullish power here for sure, okay, but it didn't indicate that the price is going to be successful in breaking the bearish power and moving upward. However, here it did. King, please start Discord soon. I'm eagerly waiting. Okay, hopefully soon. We all are family and we must help each other like our master do. You're most welcome, Susel. It's my pleasure. King, thanks to you. We are like a little hedge fund community. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Okay, let me check. The GBP USD is also pushing upward. That's great. The GBP is providing another opportunity. The GBP out of a sudden will be making very big bearish candles, so be prepared for that. And meanwhile, I'm adding on my orders since the market is providing better opportunities to be increasing my profits. Thank you for answering. I completely understand what you said. You're most welcome, Ricky. Great question, Ricky. Okay. Okay, so for the GBP USD, I have already added on my orders. For the Euro USD, I didn't add yet. And I'm going to start soon. Okay, now I'm going to start adding on the Euro USD. Always leave a big space. Sometimes you have to be very aggressive to enter immediately. For example, like the GBP USD, it's moving on sideways, okay? And sometimes from like here, the Euro USD, we've seen a bullish power, so it's risky to add immediately. You wait for the market to calm a bit, to show you some signs of reversal toward the MAs, and here you add on your orders. Again, trade each situation differently, okay? No one size fits all in trading, definitely. Otherwise, it would be very easy. Appreciate you, King, for answering that one. Nathaniel, you're most welcome. It's my pleasure. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have added at this critical level on the Euro USD. And now we have to wait for the price. Our first target is EMA9 and moving forward. GBP USD also we have added a lot. So for the GBP USD, we have done a lot. We just have to wait for the bearish momentum to continue. The Euro USD started to make larger candles. Okay, let's see. Tested EMA9 twice. Let's see now how it's going to act. again toward EMA 9. As I told you, it's a matter of entering at the right moment. Traders, as I told you here, we have entered at a critical level. As you can see, all of this distance here, I didn't sell. I have waited for this critical level to start selling. As I told you, you see, that's how you should be able to read the market. That's the feeling of the market. How did I know that from here I should start entering this market? How did I know? Okay, because that's a critical level. Okay, that's why I waited all of that and added here at the stop. Okay, because that's a critical level to enter. That's what I was talking about some minutes ago. The GBP USD, as I told you, big bearish candles out of a sudden are going to start. Okay, so as I told you, the bearish momentum is here, ready, and out of a sudden, the market will start moving in a bearish mode. As you can see, the picture talks itself. Take a look at the bearish mode. The picture here talks by itself. No need to explain further. No need to explain further. Just enjoy your rewards, your profits, some minutes, okay? In some minutes. Just enjoy your profits in some minutes on the GBP USD. For the Euro USD, also we are getting closer. Let's enjoy our profits on the Euro USD. Okay, before we reach the last low. Okay, close on the Euro USD for the moment and wait with me. Close on the Euro USD and wait with me. Let's get back to the GBP. As I told you, the bearish mode is going to start out of a sudden and the picture talks itself, okay, by itself. The Euro USD, we've been targeting this one, the previous low. However, decided to close a bit early on since I already have to focus on the GBP USD because now the market is going to move faster and faster. So I want to watch it, okay? Closed early a bit here on the Euro USD. I could have waited, as I told you. So if you want to wait on the Euro USD, you can wait to reach this level, traders, okay? The last low. You can wait to reach the last low. However, I have some good orders on the GBP USD, a much bigger opportunity here. And the Euro might move upward in the moment. That's it. The Euro, as I told you, might move upward and the market is moving upward already, okay? So that's why I prefer to close here in profits. Now I can resell. I can add on my orders. I can resell the Euro USD and wait for the previous low. You see, that's how you flip. This is called flipping your profits. That's how you flip your profits in Forex trading, okay? You close, you wait for the market to reach your price again, your previous entry where you have entered, and then you resell from there and you close at your initial target, the long target. Okay, but let me check the GBP USD again. The bearish mode started already. Just look how the market took lots of time to move from, okay, here, pay attention traders of this analysis. Some of the keys to test, as I told you previously, it's all about reading the market. Okay, the feeling of the market. If it was about adding indicators, ups and downs, adding indicators left and right, writing EAs and robots left and right, then the biggest mathematicians, the biggest institutions would have found the holy grail in Forex trading some years and decades ago, and there's no more secrets, there's no more 1% and 99%. Everyone would be successful because a robot is trading or adding these bullshit indicators, these indicators which are almost same as a robot are trading. It's not like that, okay? Trading, to be successful, you have to join our club, the 1% club. Okay, to be from the 1%, which are doing completely different than the losers, the 99% part. So one of the key things is to analyze the market. So here, for example, the price went from this point toward this point. It took decades, okay? It took lots of time, very small candles. The market was weak, moving upward. But it has moved from this point toward this point in just 3-4 big bearish candles. So this indicates that the bearish momentum at this area, at this level, okay, here we are at the first, if you watch my content from the beginning, here we are at the first support area between 9 and the 20. Here the second support area between 20 and 50. So at the first and second support area, the bearish momentum is much bigger than the bullish momentum. That's why the market went downward in a very aggressive mode, and we are still waiting for the continuation of this movement. Okay, the market faced difficulties breaking the second support area, which is very normal, so returned back up a bit and then will be continuing its downtrend. Okay, so just wait for it. For the euro USD, as I told you, you can resell. We have already sold. Now it's your opportunity to resell, to re-enter the market, to close here at the previous low, so you can flip your profits. That's what I'm talking about, and the market, of course, always listens to me. It whispers to me its directions, and here we are, the market is moving downward. GBP USD also, definitely, as I told you, the market will be down. Definitely, what's going to happen? Of course, the market is going to be moving down. We've been trading live for 3 years, and that's what's always happening. That's how you should trade. Here we are, $867 profits. King, thank you for not being selfish. Yes, of course, definitely. I've started this channel to place traders on the right path towards success, because I cannot see any more traders failing. I know there's lots of nonsense out there, and I've done everything for myself in Forex trading. Then why not? I've seen that it's a big added value for me and for you to be doing that. It's my legacy. So what can I say more? It's my legacy. It's the best, one of the best things I've ever done. And here we are, almost 3 years going live on YouTube, trading live on YouTube. And here we are today here. It's always my pleasure, traders. Blessings and abundance. Thank you for your kind words. GJ is the most volatile out of all the pairs currently. Okay, perfect, Ricky. So your first statement was wrong a bit, but you have corrected immediately. Currently, yes, because it depends on each moment. We cannot say in general. Okay, some pairs are more volatile, if you want, in the big picture. Some traders calls the GBP yen the crazy pair. Okay, it's very well known. Okay, the crazy pair. It's very well known, but we have to take it exactly currently or at each moment. Sometimes the euro USD is very volatile, sometimes the GBP yen, sometimes, okay, it depends on each day, on each time. Yes, had to correct my, exactly. However, in general, yes, I understand your point, and that's why I told you some people call it, some traders actually call it the crazy pair, the GBP yen. So I understand exactly what you mean. Okay, GBP USD again, we just have to wait for it. USD yen, as I told you, after the price is going to break this top here, exactly, the price is breaking it. And as I told you, it's going to be a good selling opportunity from the top for the USD yen. Again, take a look here at the GBP USD. How do you read this upward momentum here? A weak momentum. Okay, why? Take a look at these candles. They are moving, they have a high low, okay, just closing at the top. So most of the time the candle remained down. It means the selling pressure in each candle is much bigger than the buying pressure. Moreover, it took many candles to move just from here to here, while in one candle, in one bearish candle, the market was able to move from here, from this point to this point. So traveling the same distance. From the downside, it took only one candle. From the upside, it took multiple candles. Okay, so definitely the bearish mode is here, and out of a sudden the market is going to bounce off from that level. USD yen is going to move downward toward the EMA 20. However, for the moment, still above EMA 9. And the euro USD, as I told you, it's time to resell, so you can close on your profits here on the previous low, in the last low. Okay, but I'm already on the GBP USD, so I didn't re-enter on the Euro USD. Okay, so let's wait for the GBP USD. Be prepared to close on your profits on the GBP USD, and I will focus on that pair since we have some few orders, so I will be waiting for the price to continue its downward momentum to close on my profits. So meanwhile, let's focus on the GBP USD. And the euro, as I told you, it's going to reach this lower low, this last low. Okay, the most recent one, it was our target, and the price is getting very close from it. The USD yen, as we have discussed, it's a good selling opportunity from this top. So if you have sold the USD yen, it was a good opportunity. So let's get back to the GBP, still sideways before the downward momentum. Again, slightly above EMA 9 and the 20. So as you can see, the price is very close from EMA 9 and the 20. Also, EMA 9 and the 20 almost making a one line, or they are very parallel, and they are parallel and very close from each other. Okay, so this indicates the indecisiveness that we are talking about. However, the main direction is down, and out of a sudden, we will see that. Traders, that's what I'm talking about. The Euro USD reached our take profit, our previous one, where we've been waiting for it. And you can also wait for further decline here. Okay? However, that would be enough. So here the volume was below EMA 20. Now the volume is crossing EMA 20 on the GBP USD, so indicating a faster mode. The USD yen, again, a good sell from the top. AUD USD, definitely you do not have any opportunity. USD CAD also. GBP yen. Also, it's very close from the EMAs. Okay, the Euro USD again toward the recent low. Again. And the GBP USD still pushing around 9 and 20. Faced difficulties breaking the second support area between EMA 20 and 50. Of course, for new traders watching my live, I advise to watch my whole content from the beginning so you can understand everything from the setup and everything. And here we are only trading the basic version of the EMA strategy. The Euro USD again toward the recent low. So let's wait for the GBP USD. The market is getting faster, so that's great news. Ricky, can you quickly speak on hedging versus netting account, which is preferred? Your thoughts? Okay, yes, you can use a hedging account, Ricky. So in general, it's great. And for scalping, which the most important question is in scalping which account to use. So you have both. You have the commission account to say it in easy words, in simple words, the commission account and zero commission account. Zero commission has a slightly higher spreads. So in scalping, it's preferred zero commission with slightly higher spreads, even though spreads are higher, but zero commission account is preferred. Okay, even though slightly higher spreads. Between netting and hedging, of course, hedging, because hedging account is good also. Okay, it provides you with options. Okay, so why not always take uh, always take it with more options? Why not? As same as when you want to purchase a car, you want it full options. You want everything included. That's same, okay? At the end, you have to choose your vehicle. It's your vehicle. Your account is your vehicle in trading, okay? EU take profit hit, Ricky. Definitely, traders. That's what I'm talking about. I told you the Euro USD is going to hit the recent low. How did I know? Of course, the market is whispering to me. That's why I told you to sell the Euro USD and now it's hit. The target is hit, okay? And the GBP USD, as I told you, a big bearish momentum is on the way. Just the picture, take a look. The picture talks by itself about our predictions. It's normal. 3 years trading live. The market is always dictating my predictions. That's obvious. And for the Euro USD, the target is hit again. So how do you know these specific levels, traders? How did I know that? And I have sold it from here. And I told you I'm going to close at the market reaching the recent low. How did I know that? That's very tough to answer. That's very tough. How can I know if I tell you buy from here, like a signal, let's say, buy from here, close from here, sell from here, close here, these specific price level, that's very hard. And let me let me tell you what's exactly that. To reach that level, to be able to tell to buy at this level and close at this level, that's the peak of your trading career. That's the peak. Okay. That's why if I want to provide signals, it would be very expensive, and I'm not gonna do it for the moment. Hopefully soon for that. Because you're always asking me provide signals, okay? So that's to reach this level, as I tell you, sell here and close here, it's going to be in the peak period of your trading career or journey in trading, okay? That's why you use EMAs to help you to smooth these price levels for you. As I told you, the GBP USD is going to make a big bearish momentum, and here we are, the price is moving downward. So let's enjoy this bearish momentum. First, support area broken. Second, support area broken between 20 and 50. Third, support area between 50 and 200. Not broken yet, but it's going to be broken in a couple of minutes. Just wait for it. And here you will enjoy some good enough profits, okay? So wait for it, traders. And be prepared to enjoy your big profits. As I told you, traders, the market is going to be in a great bearish mode out of a sudden, and the picture talks by itself. Now we are fighting the second, the third most powerful resistance support area between 50 and 200. Between the blue one and the green one, we are fighting the most powerful support area between EMA 50 and 200. The last one, the most powerful one. Let's see how the price is going to act in this battle. As I told you from here, when I saw the price crossing the volume, crossing EMA 20, I told you great news, meaning the market is going to be very fast, and exactly that's what happened. The market went into a very fast mode. Okay, so always keep your eye on the volume, on the tick chart, on the market watch. Never forget these things while you are trading. Because sometimes when you are trading, you get lost, you just focus on the price, but the other things around are as important as the price. Again, the price facing some difficulties in this support area between 50 and 200. So let's enjoy. Let's watch and enjoy before we take our profits. Let's watch this beautiful movie, enjoy and make before we take our profits. For the Euro USD, we're done. Okay, definitely we're done. The price reached the recent low, and that's it. We have closed already, and that's it. Okay, we do not have an opportunity yet. The price is very close from EMAs. We do not have an opportunity on the Euro USD yet. The market is highly volatile today. As you can see, we are approaching the last hours of this trading day, and still we have a good volume. The market is moving very fast still. So we have a good spirit today, a good trading day, and that's why I've decided to go live, even though approaching the last hours. But again, you have to feel the market and to feel it if it's volatile or not today and any given day. Crossing EMA 9 and moving downward Euro USD. Again, let's enjoy the GBP USD before closing on our profits. It's normal for the price to be facing difficulties around the last support area, because the last support area is the toughest one. So it really needs a good bearish momentum to be able to break it. Here is the testing of this bearish power. But as I told you previously, it's going to be very powerful and it's going to break the last support area. Just a matter of minutes. And enjoy watching it before we close on our profits, traders. So market was rejected here one candle ago. So 1 minute ago, even less than 1 minute, and the market is retesting this level. So just take a look at this bearish momentum, how powerful it is. Usually when the market reaches a tough level, it should retrace to accumulate its power and retest it. But now, rejected here first candle, didn't move up to accumulate its power and then retested with more weight. No, instead, in the second consecutive following candle, the market tested this level immediately, so the bearish momentum is aggressive. Okay, that's also another hit, another advanced tip in analyzing the market. That's what I'm talking about. The market is breaking this level and saying goodbye before moving downward further on. Be prepared to close on your profits, traders. Be prepared. Again, rejected from this low, moving towards the EMAs one by one, 920 and 50, before continuing its downward momentum. Take a look at this big rejection from the upside to confirm the continuation of the bearish mode. So here we have a big rejection from the upside to confirm the continuation of the bearish mode. And the volume is increasing and increasing and increasing. So the market is moving very fast. That's very beautiful to watch. Always trading high volume, fast markets. The Euro USD again, the price is getting very close from EMAs, as I told you, so we do not have an opportunity. USD yen, it was a good sell from here. You should have closed in the last support area between 50 and 200. And now you are able to resell from the top. GBP USD, still waiting for the market to keep its downward momentum. And as discussed early on here, as you can see now, it's clear. We have the double top that I was talking about. First top here and second top here. That's what I was talking about. Susil, King, is there any country left you didn't go till now? Yes, of course. Yes, I travel a lot. Maybe one of the most people who travel because I like it a lot. But definitely, there will still be some places I didn't go to. Some places are beautiful that you would like to go to, but it's not as easy. As you know, the Earth is very big. We have the north, and from the top, the south. So there, uh, you have the penguins living in Atlantic, I think it's called, and the down there, very down at the bottom of the Earth. For example, these places you cannot visit. It's not easy to visit them, and their weather is completely different. For example, there it's very cold in Atlantica, I think it's called Atlantica. Okay, where only penguins live there and some other animals. Some people do some visits there, but rarely. Their weather is very cold. The sun there is 6 months is up, 6 months is down because of their place in the earth. Okay, if you know a bit about how the earth is moving in the space and how it is positioned in face of the sun, in a position, how its position is toward the sun. So this bottom might have, these penguins might have 6 months of sunny days, imagine. So it's very cold. For example, there you cannot visit these countries always, but they are beautiful. If you can watch them on the internet, beautiful places to see, but they are not that easy to visit. Okay, so these places, for example, I would like to visit them, but it's very hard. Okay, and of course there is still some countries that I didn't visit yet. Again, the gbpusd continuing its momentum downside. $400, $600, $500 in profits almost, and we are still moving downward. Volume picked up also. Nathaniel, yes. Whoa, what a rejection that was. Yes, exactly. So you were talking about this rejection. Okay, I'm late a bit to read your chat. Hi, King and Defunction, you're most welcome member. Athlan, hello, King. Vlad, $1,815 just closed. Thank you, King, for this great evening. Too many more in the future. Yes, definitely. Congratulations for all of your profits, Vlad. There will be no night for 6 months, Susil. Yes, exactly. In the Atlantica, I think it's called. The penguins live 6 months, days, only days. I don't know how they sleep. They are very beautiful animals and one of the most mysterious and beautiful animals if you watch them. Yes, 6 months the sun is up because, as you know, the earth is tilted. Okay, so it's turning around itself and orbiting around or turning around the sun. So due to this tilt, some periods, some 6 months, they are whole sun without any night, always day. Marin, Earth is a jewel in the universe. Yes, exactly, definitely. The only place to live. The best place to live, and that's how it's... hopefully they are always getting advanced more and more in their researches and their science, and they are always advanced, working hard. Hopefully they are always getting more and more, discovering more, exploring, discovering more and more results. We are always curious to know about the space and what's going around us. We are always curious. I'm sure everyone is curious about that. Traders, $800 in profits. Do we close now? No, we have to wait a bit. We have to wait. Okay, we have to wait a bit for that. The price is continuing its downward momentum. Euro USD also in a great downward movement. $800, $900. We are going to reach the $1,000 profits very soon. The euro back toward EMA 9. As you can see, the gbpusd went into a good bearish mode. However, the volume decreased a bit, so that's why. It's not an indication that the bearish mode is, or bearish power is absent. Definitely, absolutely not. It depends on each situation. Sometimes it's analyzed like that, but here it's not like that at all. It indicates that some sellers took their profits. That's why here you have seen a decline in the volume. Pay attention. The volume is declining because some traders already took profit, okay? So here, what should you do as a trader? You have noticed that you have a decline in the volume, so the selling pressure is always still here, but some sellers, and many of them, have took profits, okay? Closed on their profits. So it means be prepared to close on your profit very soon. Once you are able to read the market, you know that the price is able to push downward further on. So, but be prepared to close very soon, because many other traders who were joining this selling trade with you have already closed on their profits. So be prepared to be the next one closing on your profits, okay? That's what this decline in this specific situation indicates. In other situation, it indicates other things. Develop your feeling of the market, traders, always. The golden advice. Price facing difficulties to break even EMA 9. The price is not able even to reach EMA 9. That's the beauty of trading. Sometimes the price breaks the EMA 9. It's tricky. It's tricky. That's what makes it tough, and at the same moment makes it one of the most beautiful. For me, I felt in love with it in the first meeting. From the first time I traded, I fell in love immediately with it. Okay, so it's tricky, but once you are able to read it like an open book, it's very beautiful. And you become a very special person in everything you do. Special trader, special life, for sure. Again, slightly hit EMA 9, but rejected immediately. Let's continue our looking at Sarvesh. Sarvesh, you're most welcome member. Welcome on board. Welcome to KOF fans. You must visit Croatia's beautiful coast and national parks. Yes, sure. Lots of beautiful places in the earth, really. I wish traveling was made in less hours, because to travel from some countries to others, it took lots of time. So you cannot always afford that time. I wish countries were closer to each other more and more. King, you love nature very much. Yes, of course. Sir, my account is small, 150. Any suggestion for me? Okay, first of all, congrats, because you know that your account is small, 150 is small. The best is to start with a couple of hundreds of dollars. So, for example, $500, okay, or a couple of hundreds of dollars. 150 is too small, so the market might be going against you immediately, okay, and the account might not be able to hold on that. So you might be very right in your trade. You have entered a sell order. You are very right. Your analysis is good. Everything is good, but the market decided to go a bit above your order, and your account didn't hold. Okay. So it's small. But if you want to trade with this 150 and you are sure about your decision, then definitely you will be using micro lot 0.01, and to be very aware of that. Okay. However, the complete trading skill set is available on my website, so you can start on the right path and trade on the right path from the beginning. You're most welcome, Sarvesh. USD CHF. Okay, let's check it. We are here because we are already on the GBP USD. Okay, USD CHF done a good movement. If you have sold it at the top and now closed, it was good. Okay, so made a good movement, provided a good opportunity. Please visit India. My greetings to India. Thank you, King. Okay, 1,800 USD. Bulent, congratulations for your profits. Good night. Bulent, good night. Made his profits and decided to enjoy the rest of his day or his night. Sure, it's a night because good night, so it's a night. And his country. My greetings to all of your countries traders, the US, the Europe, and all countries. It's always my pleasure. I know you are watching me and following me from different countries in the whole world, and love all of your countries. My greetings to each country. My greetings to each one of you. And congratulations for your profits made with me today. Let's keep waiting a bit more for the GBP USD. This operation is going to end soon. We are making an operation here and it's going to end soon, so let's wait for it. Again, testing EMA 29 being rejected at the top, moved to cross EMA 50, 20 and 9. Here we are. Susel. Haha, yeah, it's 1 a.m. in India. Oh, yeah. Croatia, 8:30 p.m. Marin, how did you do in the last World Cup, the Qatar World Cup? How did Croatia? Because I do remember they participate in the World Cup. Nice one, Susil. Marin, third place. Wow. I do remember. Yes, I was following the World Cup. I watched a couple of live games and there, but I didn't follow from A to Z. Third place. Congrats. Ricky, USA 230. My greetings to the US, Ricky. 4 years ago, second place. Yes, I do remember. I told you Croatia was were doing great in recent years in the World Cup. That's why I asked you what was their most recent result. I do remember. Thanks, King. You're most welcome, Maren. My greetings to Croatia again. Sarvesh, follow him and watch King's videos every day and purchase his all courses from website. In Panama is 232. Yes, Panama is also considered in the US, I think. No, I mean. So you should have the same time. Sarvesh, thank you. You're most welcome. So again, as you can see, the GBP USD faced some difficulties here and decided to move a bit into sideways. So that's why we are still waiting for it. The Euro USD pushed up a bit. Small country, but good in sports and natural beauty. Yes, sure, definitely. Each country has really, I visited many countries. All countries are very beautiful to learn about their culture and everything. One of the most beautiful experiences. Nicholas P, you're most welcome, member. Welcome to KOF fans. How much courses cost? Sarvish, everything is well listed on my website, the complete trading skill set. Each product is a different essential topic of the complete trading skill set. Of course, with their prices listed, and I've made my best to make it as affordable as possible so everyone can become a successful trader. Nicholas, thank you for what you do, King. It's my pleasure. You're most welcome, member. Again, the GBP continuing its downward movement. So the whole world is beautiful and we all are family. Exactly. 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 Each country is beautiful by itself. Each culture, each place, each nature. The Earth, at the end, the best planet. I hope one day I can travel our beautiful planet like you, King. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about, Marin. Once you start traveling and visiting each country, really, your perspective of life differentiates a bit because you see. Uh, I do not mean you change your personality, definitely not, but just the perspective you discover, you explore things that you didn't think about, some different cultures. You might be shocked here, you might be amazed here, you might not like here, you might like a lot there. Some people change their countries, for example. They fall in love with other countries, usually island or something like that. I'm not I didn't take it to that level, of course, to that limit, but really it changes a bit the perspective of the human being. Exploring and discovering is one of the most beautiful experiences. My plan also, and help people as much as I can, like King. Susel, my best wishes. Okay, the price again still in this sideways mode, so we have to wait a bit for it. Trying to break from this level, as you can see, so the critical point is here. Now the price needs to break this point to be able to continue downward. So two attempts for the moment, and we are still waiting for the price to break this level. Again toward the EMA 50. GBP USD take profit, sir. Salvage. Okay. For the GBP USD. You can place your take profit. However, I'm going to close it manually because I am uh, focusing on it for the moment. That's why we are opening the GBP USD to be able to close it. But if you want to place your take profit, so if the market moves out of a sudden, a good place is around uh, above 770 a bit. So 775 is a good one. Okay, take profit 775. Of course, take profits are not fixed all the time, so we might change that in the following minutes. How the update depends on how the price is going to move, how aggressive, how fast, or how slow, and all of that. Okay, but for the moment, 1.21, 775 is a great target. Also, we cannot put the target far away because we have to take into consideration, traders, that we are reaching the last hours of this trading day. So we should close on our profits as early as possible. The price has the ability to be breaking below that level, but we cannot keep waiting on that because no time would be left. We are reaching the last hours of this trading day, and that's essential to be taken into consideration, of course. Panama is in Latin America between Costa Rica and Colombia. Yes, I told you. That's why you have the same time, same clock. Latin America between Costa Rica and Colombia. Okay. Again, let's wait for the GBP USD to continue its movement. So still, our guru is not only teaching us trading, but also he show us how we should be in our life, like helping others, seeing everyone in equality. Exactly, he always helps us to be a better person in our life. Exactly. Equality is a philosophy of life, and that should be considered always. Did you ever have a mentor in this career? Definitely not, Ricky. Or was it all self-taught and trial and error? Okay, definitely self-taught, and benefited a lot from while trading with the biggest institutions. That was uh, that's where I've made the advanced step as a successful trader. So I became successful before that, traded 3 to 4 years as a successful trader, and then I got recruited by the biggest institutions. So there I've made a very advanced step, if you want. Or if you want, in other words, I took my trading career to another very high level. Because there you will meet the most successful Forex traders who are trading with you. Every 1% successful trader, everyone from the 1% club has passed some of his time, 3 or 4 years, in the biggest prop firm institutions, for sure. Because there you meet these people and there you take your trading journey to another level. There you will leverage your knowledge and take it to a much higher level from there. Again, the GPUs. Interesting. So they seek you because you were already so successful alone and they noticed you and asked you to come join. It doesn't happen like that. You got recruited by your results, okay? Your results in trading. It's one of the keys to get recruited, and you just have to apply as normal as applying to any other job. Okay, at the end, trading is a career in this sense, so it should be taken as same as other careers. Okay, so no, you apply normally. Maybe some of the traders might be using some referral that this one taught me, or I am the student of this one. Maybe that might help, but at the end, they are going to check your results, and to get recruited, you have to pass some tests, and it's not like that. Okay, so maybe that might help a bit, but it's not needed. It's not required. It's not about that if you want. Okay. It's about having your qualifications. That's it. Are you qualified or not? That's it. But you need to be a top trader. So, for example, I became successful. I didn't apply immediately because I've asked back there, I've asked how to apply, how to become a trader with such big institutions, and they told me you need at least 3 4 years of successful trader and making great excellent results. It's not like that. Well, check my results. I've been successful for 2 weeks, or okay, it's not that easy. King, when you develop your strong feeling of the market after series of yes, you start developing after that. You cannot become successful without the feeling of the market. So let's face it, you need the feeling of the market, and that's what differentiates successful people from, or the 1% from the 99%. So definitely you are a successful trader, then definitely you have developed your feeling of the market. And that's why not all traders become successful. Because not all I don't want to say gifted to be able to develop their feeling of the market, because it's the most expensive gift you can ever receive. But not all can build their feeling of the market. That's why trading remains so precious, prestigious, because it's not for everyone. Thank you for answering. You're most welcome, traders. It's my pleasure. Okay, the GBP USD bounced up a bit. Let's see the Euro USD still above EMAs one by one. Crossed actually the EMAs one by one. Went up a bit and then down. GBP USD still slightly above the EMAs. And this one also around the EMAs. USD CAD also. So still thanking, I got it. You're most welcome, member. Again, between EMA 9 and the 20. As explained previously, the market faced difficulties here in the last support area. That's why to take a breath, went up a bit and crossed the EMAs one by one, returning back toward the last support area between 50 and 200. And the volume started to cross EMA 20, so indicating a better movement. So let's see how the price is going to act at this previous level. And since we are reaching the last hours of this trading day, so we are going to close around this previous low. To close on our profits around this previous low. The bearish mode is still on, as you can see. Again, the price very close from EMAs before bouncing off downward and continuing the downtrend momentum. So we only have to wait for that. So be prepared to close on your profits. Of course, you can control everything, but the speed of the market The GBP below the EMA is preparing for the downward movement toward the recent low. As you can see, for the moment, it's normal for the market to get slower a bit at the last hours. Of course, sometimes profits are fast and sometimes take some time. At the end, profit is profit and it's always acceptable with pleasure. Let's see other markets. Meanwhile, a fast round. The Euro USD is very close from EMA, so we do not have any opportunity. The USD yen, as we have been discussing, it was a good sell. So if you have sold it, you should close for the moment with good profits. So if you have sold it from this top and this top, you should have closed at this moment with some good profits. The AUD USD provided a good buying opportunity recently. And the USD CAD. USD CHF, someone asked about it. Also very close from the EMAs. Okay, the market is getting slower with the big indicator of that, the volume declining or fading below the EMA 20. Biggest challenge for the price is to break the last support area between EMA 50 and EMA 200. That's what the price is trying to achieve for the moment. Volume still below EMA 20, and hopefully it reaches the EMA 20, so the market starts moving faster a bit. Again, another rejection from the top to indicate the remaining direction of continuing the downtrend. Moving faster for the moment. USDN might be providing a good selling opportunity for the moment. If the market keeps its upward movement, it might be providing a good selling opportunity at this top, around the recent top. Exactly, moving upward, and hopefully it reaches the recent peak here, so you can start selling the USDN. Ricky, let's go, King. We are still here and very focused. Yes, we should be focused on closing our profits very soon. Of course, always here just to close on our profits for the moment. We are very close from our target, but the price is moving very slowly. Daiga, hi, our master, and everyone joining very late. I hope you made a huge profit, guys. Yes, Daiga, already in big profits, and we have a surprise for you. I would like to tell you my best wishes for you and happy birthday. Actually, it was a request from Susel. He told us that it was your birthday today. So my best, I already wished you a happy birthday a while ago. You were absent and it's good to see you here. So happiest birthday and my best wishes for you in your trading career and in your life. And yes, already made some good profits. And we are still waiting for the gbpusd to close on our last profits. We are already in $867 profits, and we are still waiting for the gbpusd to close on our last profits. So from our live streaming, Daiga, we all wish you the best birthday. Wish you have joined early on, so to be as a gift from me to you in your birthday. This live. However, you've traded with us already previously, and hopefully soon in the upcoming live sessions. The euro is falling down again, but let's get back to our GBP. I was at the gym. Okay, nice. Again, the price is slightly below EMA 9. Be prepared for the GBP USD. The missing sign is available now. The market crossed EMA 20, as you can see. The volume actually crossed EMA 20. That's why the price started to move a bit faster, creating larger candles. And hopefully it continues in this fast momentum to be making larger pips. Other markets, fast round, Euro GBP is still very close from EMAs, so no opportunity for the moment. AUD USD, if it continue moving down, it's going to provide a good buying opportunity. The Euro USD mainly no opportunity for the moment, very close from the EMAs. And of course, we are approaching the last hours of this day. The AUD, keep your eye on it. If it moves down, a good movement, you can start buying this market. But of course, you should have already traded the whole day and made a huge profit, so no need to be looking for another entry for the moment. GBP USD again. Okay, be prepared for the GBP USD traders. Be prepared for the GBP USD. $800 in profits. $800 in profits on the GBP USD. Exactly, $800 in profits. Getting closer from our target. Okay, now you can close traders on the GBP USD. Be very fast. Close on your profits and be very fast. That's it. Close on your profits traders on the GBP USD. $1,660 profits. Close on your profits traders on the GBP USD. The market is getting slower back again, so I wanted to wait more, but why I have changed my decision and decided to close now? Why? You should know, because the volume took the decision. The volume went below EMA 20. Take a look. Take a look. We have closed and the market jumped upward. The volume faded below EMA 20. Okay, indicating the slow movement is back again. So why to enter and get stuck in the slow movement? Get your profits, close on your profits, and you can re-enter if the market moves up toward our levels again. So close on your profits and tell us in the comment section how much of profits you have made with us today. What are your profits, traders? How much of profits you have made? And congratulations in advance for all of your big profits made with me today. Congratulations, sir. Service, you're most welcome. Sir, good night, you're most welcome. Daiga, actually, Susel is mistaken. It was my birthday on 2nd of March, but thank you for your birthday wishes, everyone. Okay, perfect. 2nd of March is still very close. Nicolas, $650. How much of profits you have made, traders? Tomorrow, what time live stream? Sir, well, actually, I'm not scheduling my live streamings. So make sure to click on the notification bell of my channel, to turn on all notification bell, to join my YouTube channel. The link is mentioned above, so you receive an instant notification whenever I go live, either for members only or for everyone. You will always receive your notification. Make sure to join, make sure to turn the bell, hit the bell, the notification bell of my channel, so you receive an instant notification whenever I go live. Sometimes I make it a paid live session. I always announce it before that, especially in special days, and sometimes as per today you will receive the notification. However, I am not scheduling my live streaming, so make sure to turn on all notifications, okay? The Euro USD is up again. Okay, sir, thank you. You're most welcome, Sarvesh. Total 55 euros, Maren. Perfect for a small account. Congratulations for all of your profits, traders. Close on your profits on the GBP USD and tell us how much of profits you have made. It was a great live as always. Don't forget to watch the replay, because always in the replay you will learn more. It's completely different. You will watch it from another perspective. Now you are trading live, you are under the pressure. You are trading live, you are trading your account and focusing with me and my entries, my exits and everything, the whole pressure. So watching it live again, the replay is in a comfortable way, is very helpful. What you have missed during the live, trading live, you will be able to rewatch it in a comfortable way. Ricky, $10, small account. Of course, still amazing win. Yes, of course, 0.01 or micro lot, $10 profits. So you have to multiply it by 100 to be moving to the one lot. It means $1,000. Amazing trade, King. That was a great learning session. Still sitting through all of that with you. Invaluable time. You're most welcome, Ricky. It's my pleasure. Thank you for your kind words. 3 USD profit, small account growing. Exactly. I will definitely rewatch the replay. Congratulations, guys. Taiga, you're most welcome. Okay, traders, that's why we have taken our profits here. As you can see, the price went into sideways at this critical level. So we have closed here. As you can see, the price was moving down. And at this level, the volume started to become, started to decline and faded below EMA 20. That's why I took my profits immediately and told you to close on your profits. However, my target was a bit lower, okay, 20 points maybe. But you will never be greedy in Forex, okay? listen to the market. The market here is telling you that the volume is going below EMA 20. So the market is telling you that I'm going to be very slow. I'm going to retract from here. I'm going to reverse. I'm going to go into sideways. What are you waiting? Close on your profits before I start my slow mode. Okay, and you are approaching the last minutes. Now spreads will increase, and you know we don't want to enter into this period of closing opening day. Okay, that's why we always open on time and close on time. That's the trading at the end. Timing is essential. Prince Joe, thank you, King, and good night, everyone. You're most welcome. WM Leo, King, thank you very much. You're most welcome, member. Noemi, $16.25, super small account. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your profit. Imagine if it was a big account, volume 1, you have to multiply by 100, so $1,600 profits. Okay, so trader, never underestimate if you are trading from a small account. Never underestimate your profits. Your profits is nothing, okay? I mean, it's just in proportion to your account. Small account, 0.01. If I make $1, okay, it's a lot. Why? Because in a big account, volume 1, I have to multiply with 100. So the $1 small account means $100 big account. $10 small account means $1,000 big account. Okay, so what you are making is great from a small account. King, do you come live daily on Next Level? Subscription of YouTube membership? As just answered this question, Nitish, some minutes ago. Okay, I'm not scheduling my live streamings. I make sometimes some paid live sessions. It's always announced, of course, before I go live for the paid sessions. Sometimes I make it member only, sometimes for everyone. Okay, so it depends. However, I'm not scheduling my live streamings. So make sure to turn on the notification bell of my channel so you receive an instant notification whenever I go live. So as you can see, we have closed at the perfect moment on the GBP USD. Near the last low. As I told you, we are going to close near the last low. Congratulations, traders, for all of your profits made with me during this live session. My greetings to each one of you, member by member, trader by trader, even the people who were viewing outside without being able to write. The link to join is mentioned here. You can join, you can write, you can watch members only live streams and everything. Also, congratulations for all of your big profits. My greetings to each country traders. My greetings to each one of you, to each of your countries. Love all of your countries. And again, big congratulations for your profits made with me today. Thank you, King. Jonathan, you're most welcome. Okay, traders, so that's it. Now we are approaching the last seconds. We have closed on all of our orders, as you can see. We are approaching the last minutes. We still have 1.5 hours, 1 hour 0.5. Okay, so 1.5 hours before the closing and opening of a new trading day. So it's not a suitable time for trading, for opening a position, unless you have already an open position. Now you should be thinking about closing it. So we have closed already, and that's it. It's not a suitable time to open another position. So that's it for today. Thank you, King, and please request you to start Discord soon. Hopefully soon, Nitish. It's really a matter of time. For the moment, I only have my YouTube channel and my website. And hopefully soon for any added thing. However, whenever I add anything, it's always announced on my YouTube channel. Traders, my greetings to each one of you. My greetings to each of your countries, one by one. That's it for today. Congratulations for your profits and thanks for watching. This is King of Forex from the 1% Club.